Today's video is for post-UME candidates. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at the past questions of different universities. I'm doing a series on post-UME past questions, and this is the first episode, okay? What I'm going to be doing is to visit the past questions of different universities, and we are going to be solving the past questions together. First, let's answer some questions from University of Ibadan. Which of the following sentences is correct? Which of the following sentences is correct? We have option A. This case is between you and I. Option B. This case is between you and me. C. This case is between both of us. D. The case is between I and you. Which one is the correct answer? Now, this question is to test the understanding of subject and object pronoun. How to use the subject and how to use the object pronouns. Okay. What is a subject of a sentence? Subject of a sentence is the performer of the action in a sentence, or the person or thing that the sentence is all about. Okay, that is the subject of a sentence. Now, pronouns that are used as subjects of a sentence are I, she, he. These pronouns are used as the subject of a sentence. Me, us, them, her are object pronouns, okay? They are used as the object of a verb in a sentence, and subject pronouns are used as the subject of a verb in a sentence, okay? So that's why you don't say him killed a goat. You rather say he killed a goat, because he is the performer of the action in the verb. He should always be used as the subject, and him, which is an object pronoun, shouldn't occupy the subject position of the sentence. I hope you understand. So this question is meant to test your understanding of how to use subject and object pronouns. This case is between you and I. Now, what's the subject of this sentence? The subject of this sentence is case. Case, okay? Case is a noun, is the name of a thing, okay? So case is the subject of this sentence. So the pronoun we're going to choose at the end of the sentence should be object pronoun. It should be object pronoun, because we already have a subject in this sentence, okay? The subject is case. Now, we have option A. The case is between you and I. I is the subject pronoun, so this option is wrong. Now, the pronoun you can be subject and can also be object, can be used as the subject of a sentence, can also be used as the object of a sentence. You are a good person. You are a good person. Okay, you is the subject of the sentence. Okay, I gave the book to you. You is the object of the sentence. So the pronoun you can be used as subject and can also be used as the object of the sentence. Okay, now option A is incorrect because of the presence of I, which is a subject pronoun. Now, this case is between you and me. This is the correct answer, okay? You and me. Me is an object pronoun. So, option B is the correct answer. Option C, this case is between the both of us. This is incorrect. This is an ungrammatical expression, okay? You don't say both of us is tautological, okay? Is tautological, both means two, so there's no need saying two. Option D, the case is between I and you. You already know that I is a subject pronoun and shouldn't be used as the object of the sentence. Now let's answer a question from UNIBEN, University of Benin. UNIBEN offers essentially two subjects for post-UME, English language and general paper, which usually comprises various questions from your JAMB subject combination. Okay, so you're going to answer questions on the use of English and questions from the other subjects in your JAMB combination. Okay, so let's answer a question from UNIBEN. This question is on stress pattern. Okay, in each of the questions 11 to 13, identify the option that has a stress pattern different from the rest. Now we have unless, inert, useless, and they combine. Now these words are two-syllable words. Okay, if you've been watching my videos on YouTube and if you've been following me on Facebook, I've taught my students and followers how to answer questions on two-syllable words. Now, one of the things I told them is that when you have a two-syllable word, you should check the part of speech that the word belongs. If is a noun, the stress is going to be on the first level. If it's a verb or a preposition, the stress is going to be on the second level. If it's an adjective, the stress is going to be on the first level. Now, let's look at the options and see the parts of speech that they belong to. And another thing I told them is that you don't stress prefixes and suffixes. So when you have a word and the word contains a prefix or a suffix, you do not stress the prefix or suffix. Now let's look at the options and choose the one that the stress pattern is different from the rest. We have option A, unless. Unless, un in unless is a prefix, so we're not going to stress it. So the stress is on the second level. Now, option B, we have enact. Enact, is it a verb or a noun or an adjective or a preposition? The word enact involves action. Okay, so it's a verb. Enact is a verb. So the stress is going to be on the second level. Option C, useless. Useless. When you say something is useless, it's an adjective. Okay, so the stress is going to be on the first syllable because it's an adjective. So you have option A, unless, with the stress on the second syllable, enact with the stress on the second syllable, and useless, the stress on the first level. So this should be the correct answer. Option D, combine. Combine has a stress on the second syllable, okay, because it's a verb. So option C, useless, is an adjective and it has a stress on the first level. In the next episode, we'll answer more questions from more universities, and we'll also answer more questions from the universities that we looked at today. And thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.